Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read for you. Let's see what's going to show up for you today, Aquarius. Let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And of course, if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, as always, I'll be setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, the other side will be for your partner, but I will be referring them as person A and person B. You will know which side you resonate best with, right? If this is your story. And yes, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And this is the action we can expect from person A, and this is the action we can expect from person B. So bottom of my deck, I have the 9 of Wands in reverse. So somebody is not fighting for this connection anymore, or maybe their partner is hoping that somebody will put their guard down now and let them back in. Let's see what's happening. So let me put this here and let me take an overview of what's happening here. Yeah, things are kind of out of the turbulent times, I feel here. Maybe you guys have kind of compromised, made up, but person A still doesn't seem very happy. Okay, I'll be honest. Person B here also recognizes, yes, this is my soulmate. This is the person I really, really love, but either they're feeling judged by their partner, or they feel they're going through some kind of karma or bad luck or something, but the love is there. The 2 of Cups is upright for person B. So the love is there. They consider person A as their soulmate, their partner, their spouse or whatever. But it's like, kind of compromise. Let's, end this fighting and let's try and kind of make up and move to a calmer place for ourselves. But heart of hearts, this person is not happy. This person is also kind of not really happy. Judgment in reverse. All right, so before I go further into the reading, Aquarius, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying the cards. Okay, so Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Aquarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Okay, let's take a few of these true confessions as well. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. All right, Aquarius, good to go. Let's start our reading. The first card I have here for you, Aquarius, says, you're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. Why do you stay when they treat you so badly? Maybe you guys had a fight about something, or maybe other people in the mix. So one person is saying, then why do you stay when people, somebody treats you so badly? Maybe that's what you've been fighting about. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. I've come to realize that I'm not more awakened than you. You are awake too. My past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. I I keep reading our old text messages. Wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? So you guys could have had a fight, but I do feel you guys are kind of making up here. You're not very happy with the way things are. But yes, if that's what you're going through, Aquarius, right now, let's start clarifying the cards. Let's start with person A's energy and see why there's so much of conflict here between feeling good and not good. So the Six of Swords, Spirit, for person A. Six of Swords. One more. This could be a kind of a committed relationship here, Aquarius, that you feel you are bound and attached and chained, and you have to make a go of it, even if you feel your partner is a little immature or not very responsible. Somebody is trying to listen to their intuition right now and thinking maybe that even if the situation doesn't make me completely happy, instead of putting it to an end, I might as well make up and transform it so that we can restore some kind of stability in this connection. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Two of Swords in reverse. They made some kind of a decision here. Yeah, they felt that was the right thing to do. That was the just thing to do. This is what should be done. This is what maybe society expects me to. Even though they knew that person was, not stepping up to the plate, they felt they have to kind of hope for the best, that they will mature up or they will level up and they will be, one day do the right thing for the connection. So I think person A kind of compromised and made a decision to leave some conflict behind, even though they were not really happy. Yes, they feel they don't have the strength or the courage to change things right now. So how does person A really feel about the connection in reality? How does person A feel about person B or about the connection? Temperance in reverse. Why is the Temperance in reverse, Spirit? As to how person A, they feel this is an imbalanced relationship, because even though they feel their partner may love them, they feel that person B is emotionally not available to them half the time. They emotionally manipulate them. They feel things are just not moving. They feel luck is not on their side where this connection is concerned, and they go back and forth between thinking, is it time now to get out of this connection? Will this person ever keep their promises? Till now, whatever promises they've made have been false, have been broken. So there is love here, but there is emotional unhappiness as well, Aquarius. I don't know what to say to this reading. Why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse? As to how person A views this connection or this person. One more. Somewhere I think person A is a little afraid to call it quits, maybe, because they feel if I do decide to drop this, shut this chapter out, they're, I think, afraid of being alone or in hermit mode or being left by themselves. What action person A will take, I'll do later. Let's go on to person B and see how they truly feel. Two of Cups, Spirit. Two of Cups. Two of Cups. Two of Cups. person has a little bit of an ego and ego and pride. They, I think, also worry about being abandoned or left out in the cold. This really stresses them out, but they don't show it. They always put on that persona of, like being victorious, and in their ego, in their pride. I think that is some kind of strategy. This person, inside them, they are really afraid. They're really afraid that their partner may leave them, or their partner may abandon them. So they put on this, I think, false mask of being like egoistic and prideful. Heart of hearts, there is a lot of love here that they have for person A. I think they fear person A's judgment on them as well. What's his judgment in reverse, Spirit? I think certain things have now come out in the open. Certain things have now come out in the open about person B, and they do want to apologize. They do want to say sorry or apologize or make things right. They're not sure whether person A is going to give them a second chance or not, but they do want to get victory with person A. They do have a lot of love for person A. They are now clear about what has happened and why this fight happened or whatever happened, but person B does want to apologize now, and they're not sure though whether they'll be given a second chance here. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? What did person B do that they have to apologize? The Emperor in reverse. So Emperor in reverse is again a person who is not strong, but to try and appear strong or try and be a dictator, or tell their person that this is the way it's going to be done and my way or the highway. Yes, this person could have said or done something harsh and maybe rude, and without thinking maybe said something which was pretty hurtful to person A. They were just trying to have control in a relationship, from what I feel. And they were trying to maybe just create illusions of being, the emperor, which they were not. So Magician, what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Magician. What was this person trying to do with the Magician energy? Judgment again in reverse. They did something which now karma is, I think, biting them in the backside. Something came to a halt. Maybe they were trying to appear as a Emperor in reverse, Magician, and the King of Wands. Now King of Wands is a nice gentleman, I would say, a nice king, but somewhere they are very self-serving. It's about the things that I like to do. This is where I want to travel. This is the businesses I want to, this is the projects I'm doing. It's all about them. And so what's this Judgment card now, Spirit? So I think maybe they feel now that person is judging them for the way they've behaved. They do have a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things went down. This person was immature and rash in doing or saying something. Yes, they feel really bad. They feel it's all over, it's all out. They feel they're feeling horrible that things have come crashing down. They do want to apologize. They really feel that it's their bad luck or karma or something that which is now against them. So how does person B now feel about person A or the connection? The Hermit. Where's the Hermit here, Spirit? As to how person B views this connection or this person? Yeah, so this person A had the Hermit card, right? So they've gone into Hermit mode, and that's exactly how person B is seeing them. Maybe they feel my person is now not talking to me, or being isolated and not being the way they were, not moving towards me, Chariot in reverse. And they also see that they understand that some injustice has been done in this connection. What's this Justice in reverse, Spirit? Justice in reverse. whatever has happened here, they do know, maybe in some communication or something was said here, but whatever has happened, whatever injustice has happened, this person is really, really stressed out about it. Now they are wondering how to talk to their partner, how to get things right, because they know they've done something which they really have to apologize for now. Okay, and let's see now whether anybody is going to take action. So person A, any action? No. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So I don't think person A is looking for any kind of makeup, anything. One more. Person A feels that somebody lied to them. What's this Hierophant? One more. What's this Hierophant spirit as to action? Yeah, person A is not really interested to, move towards person B. Things may have really halted. I don't think person A is trying to make things move now. Maybe some truths came to light. They got to know something. Maybe they found out their partner was lying. I don't think person A is really interested in talking to person B right now. But they are still committed. They are still staying around because they feel this is a commitment that I want to stay in. This is commitment, this is commitment. So even though they're not making a move, I don't think they're going anywhere either. They're staying because they feel it's the right thing to do. Alright, so person B, any action? The Lovers in reverse. So, they're coming back. They've made a choice. They've made a decision. They want to go back. This Six of Cups is a card of somebody returning. Okay, somebody from a past with sweetness. Okay, maybe with flowers or, sorries or whatever. So, they are missing their partner big time. One more, Spirit. What decision are they making? What action will they take? One more. They're not happy with the way things are going. Oh, so sweet. Okay, they know they've made a foolish mistake. Person B, Aquarius, this could be you, I don't know. But person B is realizing that now they're getting a bit impatient as well. They know they brought some kind of imbalance to this connection. They've made a decision that if I've been holding back, I'm going to be more open, or maybe they're wishing their partner would open up and, be more open now. They do have a lot of love. They consider person A to be their soulmate. This is my soulmate, this is my soulmate, and this is my person who I want the Ten of Cups with, the one I want to be happily in love for the rest of my life. Now these cards are on both sides, right? So person A and person B know this is forever. So this could be a temporary thing. Somebody made some immature moves or conversation, I don't know. Maybe the partner sulking at the moment. I don't see anything to worry about here, Aquarius. So you take care. Till next time then. Love and light. Namaste.